tough one to get in. It's a big S.
There's a plane flying overhead in the background.
Is there really?
Yeah, right, almost right above you. Yeah, oh yeah, tons, yeah. Hundreds.
Right there. I'm only, so out it's 225 feet, up it's only 38 feet. Isn't that crazy?
That's, oh, from her, okay. Oh yeah. Forgot I have a camera on this.
I just want the audio of the panicking.
I wanted a picture of your drone and the airplane. I'm sitting there, you know.
Oh gosh, you're
it.
taking.
And
Okay, well, I pretty much have most. Dawn, do I need to get more of an S?
well, yeah, you want the top, don't you? Keep going. You're almost
wait.
there.
That was, okay.
There. Yeah, you got. I don't have the 97 now. Okay. Well, 97's cut off just a little bit on the lower.
Oh, what about that?
Yeah, great.
Well, I'm recording. I'm just recording the whole thing, and then I can get a picture out of it. Oh, I could stop. Photo.
Nice job. Look at you.
Oh, I was watching her yesterday. All right. Coming back down a little bit.
Now we need to see if we can, when you get down lower, see if we can see anything over there.
Dawn is single-minded on her focus of.
Well, you have it out. I'd rather have you do it before you bring it in.
Yeah. Okay, so am I going the right direction?
No, you're going opposite. You want to be over that way.
Oh, by the 97.
And you can come down if you, it doesn't need to be real high.
There we are.
Oh my God, that looks like a trail right there.
Yes, that does look like, yeah.
Yeah.
At the bottom, you drop down?
Just right on the edge of this S. Yeah, right where we can't see. Come see. Oh yeah, that's a blatant trail right there.
Blatant.
Blatant.
Oh my gosh. Where's it go?
Just right there.
Nope. How about that?
Drop down. Yeah, we can at least drop down and then cut through and get to this flat spot again.
We just need a
awesome.
Okay.
Not straight down.
Right. Cool.
Can I go? How much battery do you have?
81.
Can I walk down? Right up the top of the S, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
off this edge over here.
Okay. Okay, we will. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
let's
come
look for
down
you.
and look for Dawn.
Look for Renee. Renee's going to go
I mean,
down
not-
to where
no.
the top of the.
Oh, wait,
Where the
Dawn's still
trail
with
is.
me.
Renee's going to
Yeah, she's gonna
actually
go down
to that trail.
Yeah.
And it's toward the top of the curve of the S.
Okay, so you're gonna go just down.
Keep going.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you. Keep going. That's her, isn't it?
That.
Oh, that's a.
No, we don't know where you are.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going down.
Maybe come down. I can't tell where she's
Yes,
at.
I think she's right there.
Oh, okay. Keep
Yeah.
going down.
Yep, a little bit more. Little bit more.
Can you see a trail?
If you jump off, you should see a trail. You're on it. Okay. Well,
You're on it.
let's hear left, right. That's what I want to do. What do you think?
Well, it can get us at least. It slopes,
Right.
so at least it can get us better than going straight down.
Right.
Can you
Where
fly?
is, I can't even see my drone. Am I way down there?
No, where are you?
I don't know. I'm by the 97. I'm over there somewhere. I can't see it anymore. I'm going to have to go up.
Oh, okay, now I see you.
Do you see me?
Oh, you're going up.
Yep, and I
Is
think
there
I
a
want
reason?
to come forward.
Yeah, you want to come forward and kind of down. See if you can see Renee with your drone and see if she can wave to you.
Believe it or not, I'm kind of going that direction.
Yeah, there you go.
And then come down.
You're doing it. I don't see her though now.
Forward. Down.
Oh, but is that her?
Yeah, there she is.
Yeah,
She's
okay.
coming back.
All right.
She's coming
There
back.
she goes. Here she comes.
Okay, now I got to bring my guy home.
What do you think? It goes too much over to that ridge over there? Oh.
No, I know it looks really close, but it's not. It's not right on you. It's close to you, but it's not right on you. Oh my gosh. Okay, do we want to do anything else? I've gotten some side-to-side things. Ooh, that one's kind of cool.
Oh.
Don't hurt the bird. Is there a bird? You know they get weird like that. Oh, forward, back. Don't hit the hillside, she says.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's our tires. Where are we? Let's see here.
Yeah.
There we are. Okay, everyone wave.
Yay!
All right.
Good
now I have to
job.
bring her in, which is so hard. Okay. Oh, good. A breeze has just come up. That's fantastic. Okay, let me turn her around. You don't like that ride? Okay. Here we go. We're going to back in. There's a freaking wind. Okay. Oh, no! Oh!
Why did it do that?
I did it. I did all that.
Why?
Everything
How did
saw
you do that?
happened. Everything you said. Everything you saw.
She said she was landing.
I'm coming down just fine.
Oh, God. I've ruined her.
No.
Honey, are you okay? It says takeoff permitted.
Mine said motor jam.
Well, mine said that too for a second. Okay, wait, don't turn it off. Okay. So we got video of that particular thing.
Yeah.
Don't panic at the end. You had her. The breeze had stopped a little bit and she was going down.
Oh, I did a panic. You know I panicked.
Shut up.
We can shut everybody off.